he gets to sniff. Come on, let's go. Come on, Kobe. Come on, Kobe, let's go. Here we go. What else is there to sniff? Here it is. Go for the big boys there, little dog. There we go. Ooh, fire hydrant. Even better. Kind of like pulling a sleigh here. Uh-oh. Keenan, what happened? What happened? What happened, boys? You get stuck? Go check it out.